It's called The Nightingale. It deals with our history and our past, so say no more. It's not a rom-com.
What's important to remember is that we've always set out to tell a story about connection and love and how to overcome violence and remain human in the darkest of times.
It's first premiere screening in Australia, I think, after Venice last year. And my son Harry's in it, so we've got to come along to that.
This guy has a much bigger part than I do. He's very wonderful.
Pretty intense, it's brutally honest.
She's made two superb feature films, The Babadook and The Nightingale, which is an extraordinary film.
I've got both my films in the festival this year, so it's lovely. I've only made two, and it's great to have them both here.